Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everybody's doing great today. If you're new here, please make sure you hit subscribe below. Make sure that red turns into gray. That would help me out so much. And thank you to everyone that's a returning subscriber. As you know, I'm wearing hearts and red dresses this month for Women's Heart Health. But I'm going to do another design on this hand. Modelones was kind enough to send me their gorgeous new gel polish collections. This one's called Secret Garden, and there's two more brand new ones that they'll also be having, but I've got some great sale information to show you. I'm going to give you a sneak peek at the other two. There's also Retro Lady and Midnight Party. I'm excited to see what colors are in all these. This is really cool how this opens up. I was just playing with it. It has a little tab that it's taped down, and then you just pull it out, and then it opens up on the top. So this would be great for gift giving. They're their 10 milliliter bottles of gel polish, and you can go to their Facebook page, follow them, and send a message, and you can get free samples. That's wonderful. I'm going to quickly show you the tray that they come in. Look at these bottles. They're so pretty. Oh my word. I've got to get these out so I can touch them and tell you more about this sale. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to swatch a few of them out, and when I get to the colors that I want to use on a four-finger design, I'm just going to use those, so I'm not sure. I want to show you a little comparison of their bottles. These three are all 10-ounce bottles. This is their premium gel polish. This is their Leaf U, well, it's the base coat. But I love square bottles. Look how they stack. You can tell that they're the same size, just a different lid. I know some people didn't like the solid wood lids. And this is one of their 6 milliliter bottles. I love the squareness because look how you can store them right next to each other. It doesn't waste any space. I love that, love that, love that. We'll see how good it is to take a picture with. These ones just feel so special. But anyways, and what I'm wearing on my thumb is in fact White Queen. I love it. A little She Modern decal. And here's the bottles. Look at them. How they hold in my hand. They're very delicate, and this doesn't even appear to be like a sticker. It appears to be like painted on. I'm not sure. It's really on there really good. So on the back they have a QR code, and they have their numbers 24, 25. So I'm just going to go in order, swatch them out. When I get to some that I want to wear, I'm just going to put them on and do some nail art with them as well. While I'm swatching, I'm going to tell you about some sale they have going on. It's a big Valentine's Day sale. I'm excited about it. I've only seen a sneak peek at it. This is number 24. This cute bottle. This could be inspiration for some nail arts as well. Well, anyways, for Valentine's Day, they're having a big sale, and they're going to have a comeback sale afterwards. And for Valentine's Day, it's actually going to start on February 12th, and it's going to run through the 15th. So it's going to run through the day after Valentine's Day. I'm going to give all these a 30-second cure in my lamp. Color number 25. I do find them quite easy to open, and look, they just like melt into your hand. I'm loving that. Great job, Modelones. Oh, look at this. For those spring designs, I can see sunflower nails. A lot of beautiful designs with this. Well, anyways, the sale is... Can't seem to talk and swatch at the same time. Number 26. Ooh, look at that. I don't have anything like this. It matches that yellow really well. Gives me like southwestern vibes, summer vibes too. This is number 27. Oh, a terracotta color. I love it, love it, love it. When you see, I will give these two coats all together, even though some of them are doing great with just one. This is number 28. Number 28, look at that pink. I seen the snatched peek of the bottle. And here's 29. And look, the colors do kind of correspond with what's inside. So I figured I'm gonna do some nail art with these. See, the colors match. I love that. Look. I don't want to get the rings all dirty on my bottles. But the colors all seem to match the color of the bottle. So that could give you some inspiration for nail art right on the bottle. Or at least some coordinating color ideas. So I'm going to put these on while I talk about the sale a little bit. From what I've been told, it's a buy one, get one free sale. Can you believe that? A buy one, get one free sale? And it's going to be, I believe, for, you know what? I just forgot which sets it's for. It's a buy one, get one sale. It's a big buy one, get one sale. And the more you buy, the more you save. For instance, they said that if you spend $50, you'll get 10% off. Plus, my code Nails of Interest still works. So you'll get 10% and another 10% at checkout. And if you spend $80, you get 15% off. You spend $125, you get 25% off. It just keeps on going. And they're going to have flash sales. 4 sets, I think they said 4 sets each day. I'm going to put all the information written down below. So in case I mess up what I'm saying, you'll have it. So make sure you read that description box. They're going to have 4 sets each day go up for sale in a flash sale. I believe they start at 9 p.m. Eastern time and it'll run till midnight. So I'm excited to figure out how that sale's going to go on. This is the Secret Garden set. It does remind me of a garden. It's like all the colors in a garden you would find. So very appropriately named. So they're going to have this huge sale, and then after Valentine's there's going to be another huge sale going on. I believe they're calling it the comeback event. So let me give these a cure real quick. Okay, everyone, I have 2 coats and cured on my nails, and I have these all cured, 2 coats and top coated. I can see some gorgeous, this would make a gorgeous ombre, triple ombre. Oh, that would be so pretty. I really love these colors. I've never worn any colors like that before. First, I want to try to do some art on these fingers. So first off, I've got a few little hollow decals cut out. These are She Modern decals. I always have She Modern linked below, as well as Model Ones. Trying to figure out which one was the longest of them. I don't remember. Just press it down. I haven't used these longer ones yet. Got my tool, silicone tool, to press them down a little bit more. I didn't score them at all. I may need to. And this one's so long, I'll make sure I score it. By scoring it, I just mean just put a little notch. Just give it some way to flex on your nail a little bit easier. And sometimes it'll overlap, but you won't really see it. Pick that one up. I'm dabbing it off onto a makeup sponge just to get all the liquid out. Got it a little too long for my fingernail. So I could either pull it off and redo it, I could file the end, or I can use my alcohol to get rid of the extra. Smaller pieces are indeed easier to place on your nails. So if you're having any trouble, hopefully I've got enough gel on here still, because I want to play with some of the glitters. I'm thinking just go with the purple sparkling from the Galaxy. This is the SheModern.com Galaxy color series. The color is purple and it has the twinkling effect. I'm hoping I have enough techie layer left. The decals are covering up quite a bit of space on my other nails. I can always add another layer of gel. If you want it to be over top of your decal at the end, you have to put gel here, otherwise it'll just brush off. I'm thinking I love that. I don't want to waste any of this precious glitter. It's gorgeous. Thinking maybe a gem here and here. What do y'all think? I'm gonna give these a cure. Okay, I'm all cured up. I really like that effect. Real springy. I need to wipe the glitter off my hands. Real springy effect. I really love. I'm loving these too. These three are just speaking volumes to me. I'm gonna play with these a little bit more and give you some pictures of them. Don't forget to check out Modelones.com from February 12th to the 15th. They're gonna have BOGO events, buy one get ones. The more you buy, the more you save. You can still use my code Nails of Interest to save 10% more, and they're going to be having flash sales every day from 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to midnight. I believe all of these sets are going to be on sale. I'm not sure exactly, and I'm going to do another video on their next sale. They're going to have another one called the Comeback Event from the 16th to the 17th, where they're going to have a few coupons available, but they won't be having the flash sales going on. So stay tuned for that. Thank you, everyone. I'm going to dial these up a little bit more and check out the pictures at the end of the video. I appreciate it very much. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.